Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the next lecture of English. Children, we have already done with two lessons and one poem, and even we have done some small topics of grammar. Today, I am going to start writing skills. Okay, today I am going to start writing skill. In writing skill, the very important topic which comes for 5 marks in the paper, that is letter writing. You may be familiar with letter writing because if I'm not wrong, you people are writing letters since 6th standard. Okay, so you all are familiar with the letter writing. But children, there are some changes in the letter writing. The way now you are in the high school, so your content should have a good impact on the listeners. Okay, you should use a different kind of language, proverbs, and you should use some phrases while writing a letter. How to make letter effective, that I'm going to show you, and what kind of a pattern you should follow for SSC board exam, that I'm going to show you in this lecture. Okay, so concentrate and focus. What is a letter? First of all, what is a letter? See, children, according to me, you people are not so familiar with the letters because we are living in an era of technology, and we communicate with one another through so many uh, social medias which we have. Okay, but in the past, when mobile phones were not there and internet was not so common, people used to communicate with each other through letters, as telephones were also not very common. So letter was one of the mode of communication between the people in 80s and 90s. They used to write a letter. Okay, so written message conveyed from one person to another person through post, that is called a letter. Understood, children, till here what is letter? Okay, nowadays though we don't write a letter, but still it is there in the paper, so you have to learn. Okay, now letters also have has two types. So types of letters: formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter means what? Formal letters, or you can say official letters, which we write for professional, official and business purpose. Okay, there you have to just write the main points into it by following the format, which I will show you. An informal letter, there are no limits, you can make it lengthy, no problem. You can discuss your personal things into this, as you are writing this letter to your relatives, friends. Okay, इनफॉर्मल लेटर हम किसे लिखते हैं? रिलेटिव्स को, फ्रेंड्स को. तो देर यू कैन शेयर योर पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, यू कैन डिस्कस योर पर्सनल थिंग्स. बट इन फॉर्मल लेटर you cannot do all such things. Now I'll come to your level. Now you all are children, so according to you, what are formal letters? Suppose you want a leave from the school for 2 days or 3 days, and if you are writing a letter to the principal or to the supervisor, so that letter will be called as formal letter. Okay, but in today's lecture we are going to learn informal letters. Okay, and formal letter in the another lecture we will discuss, but today informal letter. What is informal letter? As I told you in the beginning, informal letter which we write to our relatives, friends, cousins, okay, that is called informal letter. Informal letters are exchange of information between people who know each other very well, like parents, friends, and other family members. They are written to share personal information, make requests, give advice, offer gratitude, apologize, or to ask something. Okay, just assume that if you are staying in a hostel, so obviously whatever you have to ask, if you have to ask for money, so you can write a letter to your mother for money, or to your father. Or if you want permission for something, suppose you have to take the part in any kind of activity. So if you want to ask your parents, so for permission letter you can write. Okay, if you have not done well in the exams, so you can write apologize letter to your parent. So all such thing comes in informal letter. You can write to your friends also if you want your friend to come and spend a day with you. Okay, so that is also your formal letter, where you can discuss in a very friendly way. You can write that letter. I hope you all understood what is informal letter. See children, letter writing carries 5 marks, and now I will show you how informal letter carries marks. Okay, see the format. I told you general format and marking scheme for an informal letter. Sender's name. See children, you don't have to write the sender's name. Here it is printed, but sender's name should not be there. Only address. Okay, address, pin code and date. This much matter carries half mark. Okay. You know what? Now you are in the high school, so mostly addresses are already given in the paper. ओके, पेपर में ऑलरेडी एड्रेस दिए होते हैं, आपको वही यूज़ करना है. यू डोंट हैव टू राइट योर पर्सनल एड्रेस ओवर देयर. ओके, ओनली डेट you can write. I will show you the format how to write date and address. First just go through this. So this much carries half marks. Then after that, salutation. What is salutation children? My dear mother or dear sister, dearest friend. Okay, this is called salutation. This also carries half mark. See, such a small thing but carries half mark, so don't forget to write this. Fine. After that, body of the letter. See children, body of the letter carries 2.5 mark. So body is the main part of the letter, in which what comes? Introduction, then main content, जो हमारा main topic है, that comes, then summary. All these three things comes in the body of the letter, which carries 2.5 marks. Okay, in 3 or 4 paragraphs. Then after that, closing of the letter. उसके बाद लेटर्स को क्लोज करना है. ओके, क्लोजिंग ऑफ द लेटर दैट कैरीज 1.5 mark. देयर यू कैन राइट योर लविंगली एंड ऑल. एंड आफ्टर दैट, sender's name. Sender's name, see, you don't have to write your name. As I told you, almost names and addresses are given, addresses are already given in the paper. तो जो भी नाम वहाँ पर मेंशन किया है वही आपको यहाँ मेंशन कर रहा है. ओके, तो sender's name as mentioned. Proper use of grammar. These two things carries 1 mark. ओके, ओवरऑल आपने कहीं ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक की है क्या, पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स बराबर डाले हैं या नहीं, ऑल दिस यू नो the examiner will have a glance on all such things, and then he can give you full marks if no mistakes are there. If you made a mistake, then you will lose your marks over here. Okay children, so this is very easy, but you have to be very careful while writing, because this small things will become harmful if you can lose marks if you missed out any one of them. Okay children, now I'll show you the format of the, now see the format of the letter. What is the format? See, these 6 steps you should follow. The number 1, sender's detail. See children, everything should be written at the left hand side. Nothing should be written at the right hand side. You know what? The old pattern, in the old pattern we used to write at the right hand side, but now only left and left hand side you have to write everything. So first you have to write sender's address. Who are the senders here? We only, हम लोग ही है ना sender. तो whatever address is mentioned in the paper, that particular address you have to put at the left hand side on the top. Fine, with proper date. Second step, date. After that, you will leave a line and then salutation. I told you, my dear friend, my dearest Sona, whatever you will write. That. After that, leave a line. After that, again you have to leave a line. You will put comma and leave a line. Then you will come to the main body of the main body of the letter. What comes in the main body children? Everything, whatever you write. पूरा मतलब begin introduction of the letter, then middle part, the main content, जो भी हमारा exact topic है, जो हमारा main मुद्दा है, that comes into it, and then summary of the letter. Okay. 5th step, complimentary close. There you close the letter, thanking yours faithfully, your lovingly, waiting for your reply, and whatever you can write over there. That comes, and at the end, name and sign, yours faithfully, and then the name which is mentioned in the paper, the same name you have to write over there. I told you that name and grammatical mistakes, okay, and the grammar throughout the letter carries 1 marks. Okay, now I'll show you in detail how to write body of the letter. In the body of the letter, 3 parts. First one, introduction, purpose of the letter. Then main content, main क्या है, हम बात क्या करना चाह रहे हैं, what is the main topic, that should be clearly written in the main content. After that, summary, you should summarize पूरा होने के बाद, maybe waiting for your reply, I hope you will come, okay, give my regards, all such things comes into summary. Understood, children? These all things should be there in the body of the letter. Okay, now I'll give you one of the example for better understanding. Let's see, we have a letter over here. You are Harish Harshika Pandey, staying at Meher Apartment, Chembur, Mumbai, 400074. Write a letter to your friend Amita or Amit, congratulating him on winning a scholarship. See, already address is given over there. Okay, you don't have to write the name as I told you in the beginning. So you have to congratulate your friend. आपको congratulate करना है आपके friend को who has already selected, who has won the scholarship. Okay, so as I told you, at the left hand side, see, address is written, Meher Apartment, Chembur. After the name of the city, there is a comma. These are the small steps which should be followed. ओके देखो, आफ्टर द नेम ऑफ द प्लेस यू हैव टू पुट कॉमा. कहाँ पर कॉमा देना है? प्लेस के नेम के बाद. देन मुंबई पिन कोड इज देयर. आफ्टर दैट सी द फॉर्मेट ऑफ राइटिंग डेट. ओके, यू हैव टू राइट इन दिस वे ओनली. नहीं तो आप क्या करोगे 5.7.18. नो, that should not be written in the letter writing. This is the right format which should be written in the letter writing only. 5th June, comma 2018, full stop. Okay children, you have to put comma after month. ठीक है, after a month there should be a comma. Then you will leave a line, then salutation, dear Amit, comma. Then again you will leave a line, and then you will start main body of the lecture, introduction. After that, what? Main content, summary. Okay, in 3 small paras. So you can see 1, 2 and 3, and after every para you should leave a line. Okay, you don't have to leave a 1 finger gap here. Directly you have to leave a line, and new para you have to begin from the margin only. But after every para you have to leave a line, and you have to write a new para from new line. Understood children? Then after that, see, yours loving friend, comma. Here also you get the half mark. This is closing. And after that, the name of yours which is given here, that is Harshika Pandey. I hope you all have understood how to write the letter, children. Understood children how to write the letter? So we will revise once again. We will have a summary of today's lecture. We have seen letter writing. There are 2 types of letters, formal letter and informal letters, right? But today our topic was informal letter. Okay, informal letter हम किसको लिखते हैं? The personal communication, casual or emotional tone. Okay, these are the features of okay, then I showed you the format, what should be there, sender's detail, date, salutation, body. Okay, then closing of the letter and name and sign. Understood children? So here we finish with this topic today, that is informal letter. I hope you all have understood. This one more letter I'll give you for writing. So whatever I am giving you, please note down in the writing skill notebook. Thank you children. Take care of yourself. Bye.